Good morning vlog, what is up? We are going skiing today. Let's go. We're gonna be gnar shredding today, boys. So let's do it. What's up, Samantha? You good?
Hi.
Yeah. What's up, June? What's up? Wait, it's facing the wrong way.
Exactly.
Wait, are you in there?
I don't feel like being right now. Stop.
Okay. Out here shredding the gnar. Gonna get it and wipe it out a few times, but it's all good.
What? I didn't even hear you. I have my headphones.
What?
Oh, you're still. What's up?
What's up?
Shredding some gnar here.
Shredding some gnar here. It's pretty epic.
No.
Ha!
Against the grain, watch the clock tick and fade.
Where's this music coming from?
Having a party.
Anyone have any thoughts?
It's a party.
Couple lifts that off.
Is this coming from the house or from a Bose speaker?
Probably a speaker.
I don't know. These people are probably getting lit though, right?
Oh, sure getting lit.
We're always lit.
Do you have shower beers?
We're always lit. Nah, but I was reading an article from TotalFratMove.com talking about how to drink beer on break in the shower. Basically saying bring as many beers as you can, and I think it was like shotgun as many as you can in like a 15-minute shower for something.
Is this one on YouTube?
Probably.
That's gay as fuck.
I'm not gay.
Super gay.
This guy's.
Get out of here. This is how you ski. You gotta wear camo shirt. You gotta have skis.
You gotta wear thin.
You gotta have the skis.
This is risky. I'm gonna drop it.
Uh-huh.
You gotta get thin. Aerodynamics. More speed. Need for
Look at this
speed.
shit. Look at this.
Need for speed.
Tommy's afraid to go on that.
I'm not afraid, I'm just smart. That's really what it is.
Are we
I'm
going
not
on
trying
that?
to kill myself like this kid.
Sam, this is what we're going on.
This?
Yeah.
Better not be going on that.
No,
I ain't doing this crap.
you can either go on this or that.
We're not going on that. I swear.
Vlog! Anyone?
No one likes it.
Anyone? We're gonna be famous. Nah. Not feeling the love. Whatever. We just skied down this. Almost died a few times, but it's all good. Still have to pee. That'd be
What?
correct.
What?
We do still have to pee. That is
I can't hear
correct. Okay.
I don't give one fuck. Off top, push nigga, would try nigga.